Good afternoon. My name is Jorge Guanteros, studying English and the UNAT. One program. How has technology changed human life in the your community? Over time, technology has become an essential element for human life. Same from the time of wait of the time of going to the bit people depend on different technology elements for life. Throughout the alarm or clock, the coffee mug, the stock, the refrigerator, television, and the radio, among others, technology is very important is medicine. 2. Problem. What positive and negative aspects of the you considered your community has had in the use and technology nowadays? The clearest example, the with camping in the silent phone that have going from vantage and communication implement to and set on essential part of technology to the world, allowing of speed, update, and way of alters novelty take occurrence in different parts of the planet. People's lives become depend on the taste implements in the apps, turning time in the an addiction. Thank you very much.